Yeah, here it's amazing place. I should say try to use this and this tree. It's about 3 meters or something between them. So I think it'll be nice. And see, it will be my view. Here it comes, guys. My new tarp from Sydvang Tarp 11. It's not lightest one. I think it's made in polyester or something. Ripstop. It's very nice quality. I think it weighs about 900 grams or something. It's Tarp 11. Sydvang. Those tensioners or stoppers for guidelines, I'm a designer myself. Printed. I go into at link below, so if you want, you can print them. Very nice tarp. Maybe not lightest one, but it matches very well. It's more or less like original. Little bit bigger. I think it's 4 meters and 3 meters. And what I like about this tarp, check this out. Yes, guys, it's a pocket, so you can store all your guidelines. So it's no mess. Very nice. Very cozy inside. Love this hammock. A lot of pockets and so on. My coffee thermos. Yeah, it's a huge difference between tent and hammock camping. With a hammock, you enjoy your camping much more. Now I'm going to get inside. Very nice, I like. For me, weight it doesn't matter. I prefer more comfort. Hammock weighs about 1.2. This is not XL version. It's a standard. And tarp, it's about 900 grams. So little bit more than 2 kilograms, but it's very comfy. Like you see, I added some pole in the middle. It's from my old tent. Of course, you can find some steak or something. Very nice. I imagine me and it's raining in a heavy rain. I don't think it's going to be some problems here. Maybe I going to attach some hook here so I can use for my backpack, because now just hanging in the tree. Check this out, guys. Yes, so I no need actually nothing more. It seems like it works. Okay, it's not so heavy backpack, so maybe I'm going to make another pole in the future, a little bit longer. It's okay now, but especially when it comes rain, I think it will be okay. But I want more open. Of course, I can put back this tarp front, and it's super lightweight. It's aluminum. I use it aceton because it was very white, so you can almost see from a distance. So I don't like. I like more neutral things. Now I think it's okay. Maybe this. Yeah. I also printed, like you see now, 3D printed my stakes. But I think metal ones will be much better. These ones, it's very nice. If you're going to set up your tent or hammock in the beach, they works really well. I also going to add link below so you can download and print by yourself. Like you see, guys, I added some rubber pads, so it's preventing now my sleeping bag or quilt slipping down, actually preventing me to slipping down when I sitting in hammock. I'm using simple rubber pads and attach it with double-sided tape. Yeah, it's pockets everywhere. Shoe pocket. This original bag that it came, you can actually use like an extra bag for your food or something when you lying in your hammock. Like you see now, I'm using sitting mode in hammock, so it's really enjoy. Imagine you wake up in the morning, take your coffee and enjoy nature this way, like I'm doing now. Of course, this is not about ultralight. It's more or less about comfortable hiking or camping. Love this thing. You can make this front of hammock like this, so you can get a better view. That's it, guys. That's my new setup for this hammock. I really like it, actually. I like tarp. I like this hammock. Enjoy, subscribe, and have a nice adventure.